Welcome to this guided non-dual awareness meditation, a sacred journey into the depths of your true nature, beyond the confines of the individual self. In this meditation, you will explore the profound truth of the realization that you're intrinsically connected to the universe, that there is no separation between you and the vast expanse of existence. As you prepare to embark on this transformative journey, find a peaceful and quiet space where you can sit comfortably without interruptions. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, releasing any expectations or preconceived notions. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the life-giving air, and then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress you may be carrying in the body. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more grounded. Let the rhythm of your breathing be the anchor, guiding you into a state of deep tranquility. So inhale serenity and exhale restlessness. Allow your body to rest, your mind to clear, and your heart to open. Now, in this state of relaxation and openness, you're ready to begin your exploration of non-dual awareness, the recognition of your oneness with the universe. Before we dissolve the boundaries of the self, it's important to establish a foundation of presence and mindfulness. So bring your attention to your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air flowing in and out of your nostrils. As you focus on your breath, allow any thoughts or distractions to simply pass by, like clouds drifting across the sky. There's no need to engage with them, no need to judge them. Just return your focus gently to your breath, to the present moment. Feel the grounding energy of each inhale, the releasing power of each exhale. With every breath, you're becoming more present, more attuned to the here and now. This mindful breathing is the first step towards recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, the first glimpse into a world of non-dual awareness. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience of breathing, in the simple yet profound act of being alive. This awareness of breath is your gateway to a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe. With your mind centered and your body relaxed, begin to shift your awareness from the individual self to the expanse of space around you. Imagine that with each breath, the boundaries of your physical form start to soften and dissolve, merging with the air, the space, the world beyond your skin. Visualize your individual consciousness expanding, reaching out like ripples on the surface of a still pond. Feel your sense of becoming less defined and less rigid. You are not just your body, not just your thoughts or emotions. You're part of the vast, intricate tapestry of existence. As your awareness expands, notice the sensations, sounds, and sights around you. Recognize that these are not separate from you, but are part of your experience, part of the oneness that you are. There is no division between you and the universe, only a seamless, continuous field of awareness. Allow this realization to sink in, the profound understanding that you are the universe experiencing itself. There's no need to search for connection or belonging, for you are already intrinsically connected to everything that is. As your awareness continues to expand, embracing the vastness of existence, you yourself feel the deep interconnectedness of all things. Everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the greatest galaxy, is woven from the same fabric of existence. You are not just part of the universe, you are the universe. In this state of expanded awareness, you may begin to sense the pulsating life force that flows through everything. The vibrant energy that connects you to the stars, the earth, and every living being. This energy is a reminder of your unity with all existence, a testament to the non-dual nature of reality. Feel this energy coursing through you, vibrant and alive. With each breath, you're drawing in the essence of the universe, merging your individual consciousness with the universal consciousness. In this moment, there is no separation, only the profound realization of oneness. Embrace this feeling of unity, of being intimately connected to the fabric of existence. Allow it to dissolve any lingering feelings of isolation or separation. In the realm of non-dual awareness, you are never alone, for you are one with all that is. In this sacred space of non-dual awareness, let yourself rest in the profound peace and serenity that comes from recognizing your true nature. You're not limited to the confines of the ego or the individual self. You're boundless, limitless, an integral part of the infinite dance of creation. As you bask in the light of this realization, you may find that the distinctions between inner and outer, self and other, begin to blur and fade. These distinctions are merely constructs, convenient labels that pale in comparison to the vastness of your true being. Allow yourself to surrender fully to this experience, to let go of any need to categorize or define. In the realm of non-dual awareness, there's no need for labels or distinctions, only the pure, unfiltered experience of being. So take a few moments to simply be, to exist in this state of unity and oneness. Feel the joy and liberation that come from shedding the illusion of separation, from recognizing the unity of all things. As this meditation draws to a close, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you, the gentle rhythm of your breath. So take a deep grounding breath, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, returning to the space around you. Take a moment to reflect on the journey you've taken, the insights and realizations that have arisen during this meditation. Know that the sense of oneness and unity you've experienced is always within you, a wellspring of peace and understanding that you can return to at any time. Good work. Namaste.